my fucking truck.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. We're going to start this off out of box. You can tell what this is again. Let's get you guys a little bit of box action. Hit the like real quick. The box, you already know this is another Simpsons Adidas collaboration. Sorry about that, guys, in the background. This is, hit this like so I can even read it. This is the Adidas Advantage. It's another tennis shoe, the Barto. I can listen that. And these are some weird shoes, guys. I'll get my other phone real quick. Every time I open up a pair of these shoes, I don't know what to expect. Because like I said, I never bought any of this style of shoe before. But I'm being Simpsons shoes, you know, I had to come through, especially on a pair of Bartos. This is one of the best iterations of the Barto shoe that I've seen so far. Nice, clean white shoe though. Excellently clean white shoe. It has that bottom again though. It's the last one. If you didn't check out the last video, go and do so with the other Bartos. Let's get you guys a 360 with the light. This shoe is so white and clean, I don't even want to touch it. It's probably hard for you guys to even see it. Ooh, it's so bright. Again, this is the Adidas Advantage Simpsons collaboration Barto shoe. Bought pairs for staring and wearing. I got this size 11.5 for staring, size 13 for wearing. But if I need to, I can stretch this one out to a size at least 12.5. But that's another video, guys. Let's get on with the... Wait. Let me give you guys one more 360. I don't want to deny people. Bartos. Like I said, guys. Light out, you might get a better chance to see it because this shoe is so white. Ooh, this is definitely different than the Jordans I usually unbox. Alright, but let's get on with some Jordans. Alright, let's get on with this next shoe. Get you guys a little bit of box action. Let it focus real quick. Hit this light. Should have left the light on so I can see what it is. We're going to do the... This is the Air Jordan 1 Mid Special Edition. Cell, Black, Cider, and Chili Red. AKA the Jordan 1 Mid Brushstroke. Cousin Ron, this is your pair, your size 9. So check out the video. Make sure you drop a thumbs up. Because this is a good pair of shoes. I don't know why. Well, a lot of people did buy them. I can't say they didn't, but I thought these were going to sell out faster than they did. Being that they sold out fast in Europe, I got my pairs from the European release, but you see you get black laces. Little brush stroke on the side of the shoe. The shoe is made of like a Jordan KO material. It's more of a Jordan KO than a Jordan 1 Mid, really, in my opinion. But hey, I don't make the shoes. The whole material is like a suede of some sort that they did some type of dye job or paint splatter too. You'll know when you see it. It feels very good, guys. It feels like it's a sturdy shoe and it's not going to rip or tear on you while you're doing whatever you're doing in it. And if you like Jordan KOs, Like it's like a canvas material, it feels like. Nubuck, canvas and nubuck, maybe. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry, guys. But I like this shoe. I didn't think I was gonna like it till I got it in hand. I'm gonna match this shoe myself with one of the New Era paint splash hats. Let me know if you guys want to see a couple of those on the show. I have a whole bunch of New Era hats too. It's a good shoe. I recommend this shoe if you're going to be looking for some Jordans that everybody may not have. Probably that everybody may not wear. Let me show you the extra pair of black laces. You get the standard whites in there. Nike swoosh on the inside is a different color. Same color as the Nubuck. Whatever this material is, you guys have to feel it. It's just a great shoe. Give you guys one more side silhouette and we'll get on with the next shoe. Alright guys, let's get this last shoe out of the way. This is the Air Jordan 1 white, pollen, and black. Air Jordan 1 mid, white, pollen, and black. I apologize. Cut this light out, can use them without the light action first. I like this colorway. It sold out faster than the last one you just saw, so you guys liked it better as well. Materials, not bad. Not bad materials. I can't complain about it. Could be better, could be worse. This is like a mid-level. The back is okay too. The materials aren't bad. Like I said, this colorway is pretty good in my opinion. This can definitely be everyday wearing Jordan. You'll be able to match this with just about anything. Like I said, leather quality isn't that bad for Jordan 1 mid. That's what everybody used to complain about, the leather quality. Black bottom isn't bad either. Be easy to maintain. Still put your little sole protector on there. And make sure you put your sneaker shields in here before you wear it. Looks like it's tumbled leather, so like I said, it's pretty soft. It's not the most tumbled leather I ever seen. The black leather is a little bit stiffer. Then you got down here, you got the little gold Nike swoosh, the gold Air Jordans logo. Nothing on the back, just plain bare back. But you do get the yellow accent up here, which is pretty decent. Like I said, it's a good shoe, good shoe. My opinion, the other ones are better, but to each their own. I like the different colorways, but I'm going to enjoy having a pair of both of these. I'm going to leave them on ice for a while, maybe next summer. If I have a special event to go to, I'll bust them out. I'm getting too many shoes. I'm getting all the heat. I want to wear heat, so I don't really have too much time for GRs. I got a lot of P's. Got the Cactus Jacks, or Travis Scotts, whatever you want to call them. I want to wear shoes like that. Not that I'm a hype beast, but those are the shoes I really like. Really enjoying the Tokyo Biohacks right now too. With this pair of shoes, it's alright. I said you can't go bad with the black and gold. We're going to wrap this up right here, guys. Remember to comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what shoes you want to see on the next video. We're going to keep on rocking and rolling. Nike isn't dropping too much. I'm definitely looking forward to some Jordan 1 highs. They should be on the way. Let me know if you guys got those Bordeaux. I know the government cut a lot of people's money, so you might not be buying those shoes. But keep your heads up, guys. Stay safe out there. Everybody fucking jump!